Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Changing the Java version for the openjdk runtime environment can be necessary for various reasons, including compatibility with specific applications, libraries, or development environments. Below is a comprehensive tutorial that guides you through changing the Java version on a system, specifically focusing on Linux and Windows environments. #tutorial, changing Java version in openjdk runtime environment. #prerequisites. 1. Install openjdk. Ensure that you have multiple versions of openjdk installed on your machine. You can download and install openjdk from Adoptium, https://adoptium.net, or your distribution's package manager. 2. Check installed versions. First, you can check which versions of Java are installed on your system. 3. Administrator privileges. You may need admin or superuser privileges to change system-wide settings. Step 1, listing installed Java versions. ### on Linux. You can find the installed Java versions by checking the /usr/lib/jvm directory. This command will list all the installed Java versions. ### on Windows. You can check install Java versions through the control panel or by searching in the C/program files /java directory. Step 2, change the default Java version. ### on Linux. 1. Using update alternatives command. This command allows you to set the default Java version. After running this command, you will see a list of installed Java versions. You will be prompted to select one by entering the corresponding number. To verify the change, check if the change was successful. The output should reflect the newly selected Java version. ### on Windows. 1. Set the environment variable. You can change the Java version by modifying the Java_home environment variable. Right-click on this PC or my computer and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings. Click on Environment Variables. In the System Variables section, find the Java_home variable and edit it to point to the desired Java version, example C/program files /java/jdk 1.8.0_251. Also, you might need to update the path variable to include the bin directory of the new Java version, example C/program files /java/jdk 1.8.0_251 /bin. To verify the change, open a new command prompt and check the Java version. The output should now reflect the selected Java version. Step 3, example code to test Java version. You can create a simple Java program to verify which version of Java is being used. Compiling and running the code. 1. Save the code. Save the above code in a file named javaversioncheck.java. 2. Compile the code. 3. Run the program. You should see output similar to this. Conclusion. Changing the Java version in openjdk can be accomplished through environment variables on Windows or using the update alternatives command on Linux. Always ensure that the desired version is properly installed and configured in your environment. This allows you to run applications that depend on specific Java versions smoothly. If you encounter issues, double-check the paths and ensure that there are no conflicting installations that could be affecting your settings.